Hello, this is Mike from Nosh. Today I would like to present our Granitor NG Easy 6.1 in detail. It has a super compact design. It has a height of 62 centimeters and a depth of 48 centimeters. And with a width of only 20 centimeters, it fits perfectly into any niche. You need a distance of 15 centimeters to the sides and to the back so that the machine gets enough air. The Granitor NG Easy has a simple bin-in rabbit. There is a main switch for the power supply and a second switch that allows you to switch between cooling and freezing functions. In the cooling function at position 1, the product temperature is controlled by the thermostat knob. Here you can adjust the product's temperature to be hotter or colder. At position 2, freeze, the thermostat has no function. The consistency of the semi-frozen product can be adjusted with the screwdriver on the back of the device. The precisely adjusted consistency can be read on the back. By pressing the release button, the container lid can be easily removed. The lock allows the output to be easily pulled up. Residual product may leak out by slightly lifting the device forward. To remove the container, the unlocking rail is pushed up and the container is removed, gently pulled forward. Now the outlet can be renewed, the outer spiral can be pulled forward, and the magnetic flange coupling is pulled forward. As you can see, there is no direct contact between the drive motor and the end space of the product. The container seal is now removed to the front. The drip tray cover is removed, and the drip tray can also be easily removed. After cleaning has been carried out, the container seal is put back on. Make sure that the higher edge is placed on the device at the back. Now press the seal evenly. With our granite grease, some points of the device are greased to ensure better operation. A bit of grease is applied behind the magnetic flange coupling, and the magnetic flange coupling is inserted. Furthermore, a bit of granite grease is applied to the magnetic clutch. So, here the outer spiral is placed. The dispensing unit is preset and the container is filled. Slide onto the device, first making sure that the container snaps into place cleanly. The two seals of the output itself are also greased with granite grease. Now the output is cut from top to bottom. Is then put back into the container. Make sure to pull the small metal spring forward. The pen is inserted and the output is functional again. Now the lid is put on. Now that it's moving backwards, simply dismantle it and remove the dust fat filter. This needs to be cleaned to ensure optimal ventilation of the device. As you just saw, the Granitor NG Easy is super easy to clean, super compact, super easy to assemble. It is available in the 6-liter version with 1, 2 or 3 containers, this is also possible with the 10-liter version in 1, 2 or 3 containers. If you have any questions, feel free to call or write to us. Otherwise, you can find more information at www.norsk.de or on Facebook and Instagram.